How to restore missing chats on Messenger. Let's get started. So, if your chats are not syncing between devices, the first thing you need to do is use a device that already has your latest message. Open up Messenger application on that device and then log in to your account. Once logged in, you can simply tap on the menu icon right over here, then tap on Settings. Inside here, scroll below, tap on Privacy and Safety. Now scroll below again, then tap on End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Now tap on Message Storage and just click that inside here. Here you will be able to find settings related to your chat backup and encryptions. If your chats are missing on another device, you can simply tap on Reset PIN and create a new PIN and then confirm it. The PIN will allow you to restore and sync your chat history on other devices by entering the same PIN there. If this does not fix, here's another method. Now go back to your message storage. Then you can simply turn off secure storage option if available. After that, you can simply try restoring your message again. Once your chats are back, you can turn on secure storage on for protection. That's it. Your Messenger chat should now sync properly across all devices. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.